If you're an undersharer or an oversharer, or you just want the ability to make better connections with people, then knowing the 5 verbal levels of conversation, as we discussed in previous videos, is really going to empower you to do this. So in this video, we're going to discuss which of those 5 levels creates the strongest and also the weakest of connections. Hi, my name's Richard, aka the Social Skills Doctor. So let's begin with the level that creates the weakest of connections, and that is the emotions and feelings level 4. But why? Well, let's go to the movies for an answer. Now in the movies, and especially rom-coms, I think, 2 people meeting for the first time often create a connection over some past event, something that went wrong in the past. And then, later on in the movie, they split up, right, always. But why? Well, that initial spark, that initial bond, was based on some one-time event that happened in the past, which has got no relevance for the future. And that connection didn't create any foundations for the relationship. Now, with that in mind, the information level 2 is where you can create the strongest of connections. But again, why? Well, here is where you're learning about each other, what they like and dislike, their hobbies, their work, etc. So let's say you discover that they like football, and so do you. So you create a connection. Now this is a reoccurring thing because games happen every weekend, right? So there's always fresh new talking points rising to the surface. So level 2 is where you create your best connections. Got any questions? Please drop them into the comments, or if you want to learn more about social skills development, go to my profile. Thanks a lot.